Indonesia's Sinabung erupted this morning in North Sumatra's Karo Regency. It sent a massive column of ash and smoke 2,000 meters into the air. The area is on alert and authorities have advised people to stay away from locations near the volcano. One resident said a thick cloud of volcanic dust had arrived at nearby settlements but was not life-threatening. Residents were advised to wear masks to avoid inhaling volcanic ash.
A China Southern Airlines flight landed safely in Beijing on Sunday with a badly cracked windscreen and damaged nose cone. The plane had got caught in a hailstorm while en route to the Chinese capital from Guangzhou. No one was injured and passengers said they were not aware of the hail strike until after they landed. The extreme weather in Beijing yesterday morning had caused more than 100 flights to be cancelled.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be sworn in along with his new cabinet of ministers this Thursday at 7 p.m. local time. And this was confirmed in a tweet by Indian President Ramnath Kovind. Mr. Modi was re-elected with a majority for a second term last week. The names of Mr. Modi's new ministers have been kept under wraps, but it's reported that Mr. Modi and his right-hand man and BJP chief Amit Shah are keen on including new faces to the cabinet.